I'm on something heavy right here. Stuck on something. And I'm 193 pounds and whatever it is. It's heavy, whatever it is.
The metal teeth, like in the movies, full of cats.
Oh my God! It looks like a. It's filled with like cement or something. It looks like. Oh shit! Oh. All right, so this trip, I don't know what this is, but I found this. This is filled with mud or cement or something. I don't know what's in there. I can't get it out. Got a piece of rebar or something. Kind of busted pliers. Bike lock. Okay, just a whole bunch of random trash.